So someone said Davido is a bastard. I don't know if he can say that to his face or he's just ranting in a comment section. So something is confused. I don't understand. Ṣé Nigeria don't try to show hatred from Davido ni? Maybe they are supporting the government, or the government are actually doing well, or Davido is saying rubbish. Please, for the sake of God, to get these facts, let's talk about this. I want you guys to stay tuned. Watch this video I'm about to show you. Please comment. But most importantly, John Tololong, please help me subscribe to this channel. Please, for the sake of, just subscribe to Accord TV, please. Watch this video and let's see.
The question was like, so for if people want to leave America and like try to find those,
leave America and go where?
Back home.
Let's be honest. Go back where? It's not cool back home.
It's not.
Just, I mean, not my country now is in the economy now is in shambles. Like,
but if okay, so if people are leaving,
I do my part.
Yeah,
I'm an ambassador. So when I go home and I'm filming and showing, I'm not gonna show the bad parts. I ain't gonna show all the bad parts.
You're not gonna try to slum. You're not gonna show the trenches.
No, I go to the trenches.
Yeah.
I film the trenches, but I'm talking about the situation in the country.
Yeah,
we Nigerians, you know what I'm saying? Like now the exchange rate is messed up. A lot of stuff not going well. You know what I'm saying? The economy is just not good anymore. The oil prices are too high. And imagine a country that produces oil. We produce the oil, and we pay more money for oil produces oil. We produce the oil, and we pay more money for oil produces oil. We produce the oil, and we pay more money for oil produces oil.
So I think you watched that video and you add the video. So kò yé mi. Ṣé nǹkan tí Davido sọ ń bí ṣó right or wrong? Ẹni tó comment tó sọ pé Davido is just saying rubbish, is behaving like a bastard. So I don't understand. Ṣé tí kílù wa máa dà àbí ká ní problem nínú country wa? Ká wá lọ máa sọ́ǹtà pé ìlú yẹn dá ó wà okay. Because I don't understand. Because currently, nothing seems to be working perfectly in our country. Almost every sector, Latini problem. So and I'm trying to know the reason. To reject Nigerians, they can't keep quiet. They can't keep short. They just want to attack individual. To ba make any comment about so viewer nípa nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìlú. So èèyàn sọ pé lásìkò tá wà yìí o, economy Nigeria is over shambled. We have crisis. Things are kind of difficult. Is he lying? Ṣé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn parọ́ ni? Why táwọn Nigerian youths why don't ṣe attack bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn? Tó fi sọ fún pé ó yẹ kó lọ síta kó lọ àwọn American, àwọn black American don't feel like okay they want to return back to Africa. Ó dẹ̀ advise àwọn tó bá fẹ́ wá sí Nigeria pé condition báyìí ní ìlú wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. This is what is happening. Because they are there, they might not know everything about Nigeria. So maybe in a way or the other, he's trying to advise them to know how they are going to prepare themselves against whatever they come across here. Or if at all, it is better for them to stay back for now, so that they will not come and regret. So, more reason in Nigeria if you want to attack Bobo. Because individual, la man face, la man ko wala fún, la man ko wala ba. La ni jẹ́ kán gbádùn lórí comment àbí nǹkan tó bá sọ. Why tí Nigeria ṣe máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀? Àwọn tó jẹ́ public office holder tó ń ṣe bó ṣe wù wọ́n, tó yẹ pa fi wọ́n office a vote fún wọn lè deliver. They find it difficult to take care of the task ahead of them. So those ones, we will be praising them. We'll be telling them they are doing well, especially if we are seeing benefits. Látọ̀dọ̀ wọn. Kì í sòótọ́ fáwọn politicians pé they need to do more. They need to put more effort. èyí tá bá dẹ̀ rí pé ó ń ṣàbúrú nu wọn àbó ń ṣe nǹkan tó lè affect progress àti growth of our community and the nation at large, a ní make effort láti jẹ́ kán mọ̀. It's not by force you just go out there and be protesting. In a way or the other, you can reach out to these people and let them know that, okay, this is the condition, this is what people are facing, this is the problem the citizens are encountering. So tí individual kan bá ti make a statement àbó ṣàlàyé bí ìlú ṣe rí àbí nǹkan tó feel àbí opinion ti àbó express àrẹ àbó ń try láti gba àwọn kan nímọ̀ràn, okay, this is the condition of where you want to go to, know how you are going to prepare yourself, but better still you stay back. They máa attack àwọn yẹn. I don't know. Tó bá dọ̀la àwọn youth ọmọ jáde ọmọ ní government are not doing well. How can we be buying garri at this so amount? How can we be living this kind of life? We have abundance of crude oil. Why are we buying? Why are we buying so with so much price? So later, eléyìí ṣé ẹ ń try láti sọ pé ẹ hate bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ni? Ẹ fẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé okay, we hate him. We don't want him to make any commentary about what is going on in the country. Àbí kò wà entitled sí opinion tiẹ̀ as a citizen of Nigeria. I don't know him. I don't have business with anybody, but I'm trying to know the main reason. Gbogbo tó fi ń attack bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn lórí pé express ààrẹ ó ń ṣàlàyé bí ìlú ṣe rí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Because I know surely most of you guys that are commenting, that are attacking this guy now, you are not living the best of life you actually plan for yourself. So it is glaring. Do you just hate him? You want him to know that you don't want to hear from him, or you are trying to praise the government for this kind of situation that we find ourselves? And I see the reason. Táwọn hip-hop tó ń fi pariwo Biafra lójoojúmọ́. See, part of Yoruba means okay, Yoruba nation. By all means, no going back. This is what we want. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè change here. Because it seems like the country is just too big for someone to handle. We live every day. We encounter different kind of problem. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, subscribe to Accord TV. Subscribe, comment. Let's rub minds. Let's see what you have on this. Like it. I don't understand. Right now as we are, government in Nigeria should favor everybody. Nǹkan tá a fẹ́ níjọba ń ṣe. Are they trying enough? If I thought they are doing their best, is it enough? Kí ni reason tí àwọn èèyàn fi ń attack Davido? Nígbà tó ń advise àwọn tó fẹ́ wálé láti America nígbà tí Donald Trump tó wọlé election. Please subscribe to Accord TV and thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé gan.